ना 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 गन्ने के खेत में।
अबे वो चने। Friendships are important to you because it's like unpaid therapy.
आई थिंक मैं भी थोड़ी वो ऑब्सेसिव काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंड तो थी ही।
हमने सब कुछ साथ में किया है, हमने कपड़े भी साथ में खरीदे हैं, पॉन भी साथ में खरीदा है।
लानत हो तुझ पे, लानत हो तुम पे।
Oh my God, therapist Smith is back.
उससे ब्रेकअप करने के बाद ना उसने उसको फीडबैक फॉर्म भेजा था।
I really want to popularize this word.
Influencer?
I genuinely feel like industry के दोस्त नहीं होने चाहिए.
खटकाई लो चटिया। Action.
Wow. Okay then.
3-2-1 नहीं कैप्चर हुआ होगा। विपुल 3-2-1 कैप्चर हुआ था? हुआ था?
क्या बात है?
I also wanted to say something. Usually मैं हमेशा तुमने हमेशा वो edit पे रखा भी है where
क्या?
an episode starts and I'm singing. Today I want you to sing a song for all of us.
मैं हर बारी edit मैं हर
सर आप भी क्लैप करो ना इसके लिए।
अरे
या तो
उनको-
जोक सुना या गाना
अरे
सुना
गान
कुछ
बज जाएगी
भी।
edit पे यार।
क्यों? ऑडियंस
क्लैपिंग
हाँ।
देखो कॉपीराइट क्यों तुम कराते हो?
गाना गा। You have embarrassed me by keeping all of those things that I do before we roll on edit.
I have not kept once. Which
You
episode?
have.
Which? Okay, maybe in one episode.
I was doing this in one episode and I want you to sing a song on Dosti today.
That is today's episode. Today's episode is going to be about friendship, about dosti, because this was the one. Actually, तो हमने audience suggestion भी काफी लिया है, and all the people were like, अरे but कुछ हम subject crowd source कर रहे थे कि what do you want to talk about? तो everyone was like, ये मैं high energy करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ because
High energy के चक्कर में तो ऐसे बोल रहा है as if ट्रेन छूट रही है और तेरे को सब कुछ अभी बोलना है in 30 seconds.
देखो guys, हमें realize हुआ है कि जब हम high energy में नहीं करते हैं तो बहुत ही dull, boring हो जाता हूँ मैं, तो इसलिए मैं extra high energy करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ even though subject matter बहुत ही basic है. Today's episode is going to be about dosti, is going to be about friendship.
And उसी खुशी में गुरसिमरन हमारे लिए एक गाना गाएंगे.
Fuck, I thought you would have forgotten.
I
I thought you would have
know.
forgotten. Okay, कौन सा गाना?
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे.
Okay, for copyright free version, ये दोस्ती.
यार
अबे copyright free version.
This is you singing.
Yeah.
Please.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरी गांड तोड़ देंगे. Not to you. I'm not saying to you. I'm saying alternate songs.
You know
What friends will.
I
This
think
is what friends do.
No, if I say this, it is acceptable because I'm not a comic. But you, whose job is to be a funny person, if he says something like this,
Listen, it's the first fucking episode we're
It's
recording today. I
actually-
barely had
it's
breakfast.
a थप्पड़ on your face. What is it? वो लालत है तुम पे. What is the word?
पिछली बारी तुमने केदार खान
क्या
बोल दिया
है
था और
सब?
लोगों ने गांड मार दी तुम्हारी. ठीक है, अब तुम लानत को
I
लालत.
am very bad with names, and that doesn't mean that I don't respect that person. What is the word?
लानत
लानत है तुझ पे, गुरसिमरन.
तुम पे.
तुम पे.
Anyway, today's episode is about friendship. Is about fuck ये मैं protein shake क्यों रख रहा हूँ? Today's
It looks
episode.
like गन्ने का जूस.
Oh yeah.
गन्ने के जूस में गाना गा. ना 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 गन्ने के खेत में.
अबे वो चने.
ये हटा देना.
ये मैं नहीं हटा रहा हूँ. अब तुम गांड मराओ. किसने बोला कि गाना गाओ? अब ये fuck off.
Please.
तुम्हें लगा गन्ने के खेत में है
I
गाना?
don't know. क्या फर्क पड़ता है चने
और
के
क्या
खेत?
है? एक मिनट. First two words क्या है गाने के? क्या हो रहा है गन्ने के खेत
I
में?
have a friend here with me because we're recording an episode on friendships. His
That
name
is, do not try to deflect.
Vipul?
Do not try to
क्या
deflect.
होता है चने के
Vipul,
खेत में?
ignore her. Do not deflect this. What happens in the गन्ने के खेत
Vipul
में?
is our DOP.
गन्ने के खेत में क्या होता है तुम्हारे?
Sex. चोरी. चने यार what is the lyrics?
What are the lyrics?
What are the lyrics?
What are the
yeah.
lyrics?
जोरा जोरी चने के खेत में.
Okay, please Google. This
song.
episode, which was supposed to be about friendship, is suddenly about sex in sugarcane fields. Apparently, please tell me what the fuck they're saying.
Okay. The song is written by Sameer. 18 बरस की कवारी काली करी थी. English में लिखा है.
It's about black women in in sugarcane fields. 18 बरस की काली.
हाँ काली कुवारी थी. Oh my God.
कली. कली. Bro.
Okay.
This is Kendrick Lamar's rejected song. This is Dr. Dre's unreleased hit.
It's also actually racist in a way.
Yes, it is very racist.
कि वो कुंवारी इसलिए थी क्योंकि वो काली थी.
No, that is not what he's saying. He is just describing where the girl was. She was an 18-year-old black girl in a sugarcane field. Right?
घूंघट में मुखड़ा छुपा के चली थी.
Yes, because she was
और फिर
preventing.
वो फंस गई.
Because she was trying to save herself from the whites, which were around the field.
Shut up.
Yes.
फंसी गोरी.
हैं?
फंसी गोरी.
अच्छा गोरी भी फंस गई.
2 बारी.
So the white girl
चने
who
के
was.
खेत में हुई चोरी चने के. I told you वो चोरी हुई थी. I told you चोरी हुई थी. Let's move on.
Can we move? Yes, thank you.
I used to think sort of hip hop has problematic गाने. Then in one of our other episodes, I realized Punjabi songs are also very problematic.
भाई all songs are problematic if you go really deep into where they are
Yeah.
coming from. ये तो
Yeah.
अलग episode है. Problematic songs are different episode
Should we do
actually.
this? Problematic songs.
वो
जो
हमें-
उसपे हम सबने नाचा है at some point or the other. There was this one song जो I think अनिल कपूर का था और कोई एक्ट्रेस थी वो उसके ऊपर हम्प कर रहा था ब्रो चटाई के ऊपर. And उन्होंने
अरे,
पूरा
I know.
sex without penetration replicate करा है.
Oh हाँ, I know this one. खेत में वो जो बेड के
ये भी
ऊपर.
खेत में. सब कुछ खेत में ही
देखो
होता है.
clearly it is very cold in villages. Anil Kapoor dry humping search मत करना Google पे. It was not the kind of Google results we want. But I know exactly what. क्या था यार गाना? Fuck up तुमने मेरे दिमाग में डाल दिया.
खटकाई लो चटिया. Oh.
खटकाए लो चटिया.
खटकाई लो खटिया.
सरकाए लो खटिया ब्रो. तुम आज हिंदी गाने मत करो डिस्कस. तुमसे नहीं होगा.
हाँ,
सरकाना
ठीक
क्या
है,
होता है?
lyrics.
सरकाना is
साइड में करना.
yes,
इतना
exactly.
पता है मुझे.
Yes.
पुश करना उसको.
Yes. जाड़ा.
सरक जा जरा.
Yeah.
सरक सरक सरक.
Okay, start करें एपिसोड
हाँ,
स्टार्ट
हाँ,
करें.
चलो,
फालतू
चलो.
की बकचोदी हमने 5 मिनट बर्बाद कर दिए. Okay, this episode is about friendships. इस एपिसोड में हम दोस्तियां डिस्कस कर रहे हैं स्मित.
हमें एक्चुअली ये बहुत पहले करना था पर पता नहीं हमने ये क्यों नहीं करा.
हाँ.
Because friendships always come last. That is the
Oh my
problem with
fucking
today's world. हम लोग friendships को प्रायोरिटी देते ही नहीं है. हम friendships को बस सरका देते हैं. खटिया की तरह.
Wow, bro. I am very envious of you because you have a lot of friends. Okay. And one thing I don't understand as an introvert, I think for some people would have figured out who are watching the podcast already, I'm an introvert, you are a bit of an extrovert. You are more like, you're good at managing people, good at managing relationships, emotions.
I think people here will think तू introvert है नहीं, but because मैं तेरे को बोलने का मौका नहीं देती कि you've just accepted that.
मैं सोच ही रहा हूँ कि ऑडियंस क्या बोल रही है. ये तो
ऐसे इंट्रोवर्जन एंड एक्सट्रोवर्जन उसका कुछ बातें करने से रिलेटेड मतलब कौन कितनी बात करता है से रिलेटेड रिलेशन कुछ नहीं है. इंट्रोवर्ट्स भी बातें करते हैं.
Of
A lot
course.
of people think that introverts है तो हम चुपचाप बैठे रहते हैं कोने में, पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. It's just that उनका they just open up to maybe a
To
few
very
people.
few people.
Yeah, and then socializing is just draining for them. It's nothing
yes.
beyond that.
Yes, and in fact, because I only have a couple of few friends, and because you have a lot of friends as an extrovert, I
ये हमने
want.
सेटअप करा ही नहीं है, but okay, अब हमें समझ आ गया that as compared to Gursimran, I have more friends.
Yes.
Gursimran barely has any friends in his life. His best friends we can count like on our fingertips, which actually we can in general also for everyone. But
Yes.
he only has 2 close friends. Actually, if I think about it, only 1 close friend. No, 2 close friends.
You are also my friend.
Okay, 3 close. We'll exclude family and all right now. He only has 2 close friends, and he is barely in touch with even them. He talks to them once every 6 months. And versus
That
me,
is not true.
I also have a few close friends, but I'm regularly in touch with them. That's the difference between Gursimran's close friends and my close friends. But before we go to like the next thing, I'll tell you what friendship means to me. I'm confused
Okay.
about my answer. What does friendship mean to you?
What does friendship mean to
यही
me?
होता है ऑर्गेनिक रखने के चक्कर में हम कुछ भी prep नहीं करके आते कि एक बेसिक क्वेश्चन की
That's
फ्रेंडशिप.
fine. No, I have thoughts on this. My thing is, friendship is people who obviously you sort of share everything with, but for me it has to be easy. Like it has to
So
be.
any relationship which is easy for you is friendship.
It's only friendship if it is not stressful. Like where you don't have to be constantly taking the pressure of being in touch with them. कि तुमने कुछ मेरे को मैसेज नहीं किया तो प्रॉब्लम हो गई. Which like
No obligation type of a relationship.
no obligation type of a
So
relationship.
it's a relationship where you feel because other relationships come with their expectations and
Expectations.
obligations.
Yes.
It is one equation for you where itna pressure nahi hai to perform.
Yes, and this is a good way of phrasing it because see, if you're married, it comes with its own pressures. If you're with
तेरे को pressure है हमारी शादी को
अबे
लेकर.
यार, I mean in
ये तो
terms
मुझे
of
पता ही नहीं था.
अबे in terms of obligations, if there
Pressures of marriage.
that is
बता.
a pressures of marriage, doing a podcast,
वैसे मैंने तेरे को बोला है करने के लिए.
joke. Anyway, point is that every other relationship comes with a certain expectation, certain sort of, I won't say baggage is not the right word, but it comes with a certain thing that you need to do in terms of performative.
How important are they to you?
I don't think they're very important.
That's why you're saying this. And that's why I said this because you had started talking about versus for me. Because for me, friendships are very important.
But why are friendships very important to you?
Yeah, friendships for me are it's a safe space. It's a space which is non-judgmental. I don't have to perform. It's a great support system for me. And when the world feels heavy and you just have someone or you have this space where you can just lean on, in a way it's like unpaid therapy.
So you just like friendships are important to you because it's like unpaid therapy.
I think it's so beautiful because this relationship comes without any obligation to be in a relationship, first of all. बाकी सारी relationship आपको force की जाती है. अब you are born in a family. So वो parents का relationship आपको दिया गया है. आप किसी you are married to someone, आपको वो relationship दिया गया है.
वो force नहीं हुआ है, वो भी तुमने choose किया है.
हाँ, choose किया है, but you know what I mean. But friendships आप खुद बनाते हो. And आप वो निभाते हो, and I think there's some beauty in like those kind of relationships. तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत important है. It's very lovely. It's very lovely if you find someone who you know means like the best for you without any ulterior motives.
But did you, when you were young, did you have a lot of friends? The reason I'm saying this is I feel maybe they were not important to me is because, like I said, everybody, I've now discussed this in 4 episodes already, because I almost grew up alone, in the sense after mom and dad separated, I was living alone. So I was used to doing a lot of things on my own. So obviously I had friends in school and stuff like that, but were they like the most important thing in terms of, oh my god, 10 on 10 ki isse zyada main kar nahi sakta? I don't think so. So I feel maybe it's an upbringing thing.
But do you think you didn't have too many friends because of your upbringing?
No, I feel, sort of, in a way that I was very used to doing things alone. So I didn't feel the need to find someone else to rely on, find someone else to be with.
I don't mean rely on, I can't do things on my own. Like, I'm not relying on my friends to do things. So that I'm able to do things in my life. Okay. Humans are social animals. Whoever says that we do not need other people to survive, they, I think, are getting it wrong somewhere. And itni research bhi to hui padi hai iske upar. There are studies done on this, that the one factor which tells you how lonely and depressed people are as they age, it's a factor of how their social circles and how healthy their social circles are. And that is also one of the reasons why men are more lonely, because as they grow older, they don't have these friends who they can talk to, who they can just go and vent with, who they can be vulnerable with. And a lot of times, again, because of our upbringing, we are not able to be so vulnerable with our parents, with our siblings, with our immediate family. It is because of the upbringing, right? And because सबका अपना अपना conditioning है, अपना अपना trauma है. But friends तो उस trauma के साथ नहीं आते ना.
Okay, I got
आगे
you.
जाके आ सकते हैं शायद, आपकी relationship कैसे evolve होती है with that person, वो अलग चीज है. But they are coming with a clean slate, and वहाँ पे आप you can exist without having to perform, is what I mean.
Got it.
But वो study तो है ही, that it is a fact.
This men loneliness thing, in terms of why men have fewer friends, partly one of the things I remember reading in the study was also this only, because we end up making our wives our best friends, our partners our best friends, because of which we end up investing so much time and effort in this particular relationship that we end up not spending as much time on other friendships.
I don't know, don't say we na, right? हाँ,
No,
men,
no.
yes, in general, yes. But
Of
अभी मैं
course.
तेरी ही बात कर रही हूँ, तो तुम तो एकदम actually जो भी ये studies कर रहे हैं, तू एक perfect candidate है उस study के लिए.
हाँ.
It's true, because you are like that, right? Like I feel ये हमने discuss करा भी है, like in terms of your friendships, like I'm one of your closest buds.
You're my best friend.
I'm your best friend, right? But I have so
That's
many
so
other friends
sad.
also. You are one of my friends.
Wow.
You are not my best
Oh
friend.
man, you're gonna get so much shit for this.
तू ये
Yes.
जानबूझ के करता है, मुझे पता है, ये तू ये जरूर प्लान
Wow.
करके आता है, how to make Smeet look like a bitch and how to make myself look like a green flag.
Look, trust me when I say I don't need to do any prep for that. You just do it yourself.
Oh, shut up. I am your best
Who
friend because
started
I am
this
just
episode?
living with you,
Who
Gursimran.
started?
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि तू आके भी बहुत ज्यादा मुझको you pour your heart out. You're a man of
Wow.
few words.
No, I talk to who else do I talk to, man, about like my personal shiz?
But-
Of course, I talk to my 1 or 2 close friends.
Yeah.
But you, I talk to. Wait, are you saying? Okay, wait, controversial opinion. Are you saying that people's partners should not be their
No, they
best
should
friends?
be.
Right?
But I don't think there has to be a pressure of अच्छा if you're वो तुम्हारा he
One and
he or
everything
she.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
Yes, 100% I
You
agree.
are one of the closest people in my life.
Yes,
of course you are.
भाई वो तो I 100% agree. वो तो हम पागल हो जाएंगे if the
और मैं
whole time.
best friend के logic में वैसे ही believe नहीं करती हूँ.
Oh, you don't believe in the concept of
I
best
used
friend?
to as a child.
Why did you used to believe it as a child and why do you not believe it
Maybe
now?
because of Bollywood. I don't. But then, yeah, for me, ever since the start, friendships have been very important. पता नहीं क्यों. And I think I was that child who always wanted to have her one person. And I think that was the case with my relationships and friendships. I think growing up, when I used to, when I was growing up, I used to, Bollywood में क्या ये हम आपके Icon and DDLJ and all that, right? So we have grown up seeing all this. So I also wanted like this one Raj,
One best friend.
one Prem, one Raj. No, वो best friend के साथ भी same ही I think मेरा trauma.
Fair.
And similarly for friendships, I think while growing up, I had my first best friend. She and I kind of lost touch in class 7th.
Okay.
When our sections got changed. So 7th तक nursery to 7th हम एक साथ थे.
हाँ.
But तब तक I think मैं भी थोड़ी वो obsessive kind of friend तो थी ही कि ये मेरी best friend है, हम सब कुछ एक साथ करेंगे, इसको मुझे सब कुछ बताना चाहिए, मैं भी इसको सब कुछ बताऊंगी.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and then in class 7th, I made friends with another girl, and she and I were also now best friends. But till today, she's one of my closest friends. Of course, we've had our shares of up and downs.
हाँ.
But तो मैं उसके साथ भी. Then in class 9th, उसका boyfriend बन गया था.
Oh.
और मेरा
Uno
नहीं था.
reverse.
And I felt so jealous. यार वो सारा टाइम उसके साथ रहती थी, and I think that guy also started hating me. But they are not together right now, so I win, you ex-boyfriend.
Wow.
She's
Wow.
with me now and not with you.
Wow, unnecessary hate.
अरे but it used to be like यार उसकी शक्ल मुझे देख के और मेरी शक्ल उसे देख के, because in my head I'm like oh shit यार कृति उसके साथ जा रही है, वो मेरे साथ नहीं है.
Oh fuck, really? Got that? Did you try and sabotage the relationship
No, I
just so
wasn't
that you
person,
could?
but I'm sure like I think all those things have had an impact on me. And उसके बाद से then of course you grow up and you know you realize कि मेरी certain expectations होती है, वो पूरी नहीं होती है, शायद vice versa. तो ये perfect best friend कुछ होता नहीं है. तो अब मुझे आज तक ऐसा कोई इंसान मिला नहीं है जो who I think like जो मेरा definition of best friend है.
What is your definition of best
अभी
friend?
तो कुछ नहीं है, but in like an ideal world is वही like someone who's who will be there for me when I need him or her, and because I know I will be there for him or her when he or she needs me.
Yeah.
So I think because of how I am.
Over attached.
मैं ओवर गिविंग ओवर अटैच भी हो
हाँ,
जाती हूँ, और
yeah.
फिर वो जब वो रेसिप्रोकेट नहीं हुआ इन द पास्ट, फिर जाके आई वुड गेट हर्ट एंड आई वुड एक्ट आउट. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज नाउ इन द लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स आई डोंट एक्ट आउट, आई जस्ट सी इट फॉर व्हाट इट इज एंड आई टेक अ स्टेप बैक एंड आई जस्ट से ओके यार इट्स फाइन. बट आई थिंक मुझे अभी तक तो ऐसा कोई मेरा वन पर्सन बेस्ट फ्रेंड सोलमेट नहीं मिला है, और आई थिंक इट्स फाइन. बस मुझे ये है कि मेरे को टैग्स वैग्स में बिलीव नहीं करना. सो
No, I get
for
it.
me that is
Mera definition, again, I don't know what this definition of best friend is, and I feel like with guys this is a little bit more. जैसे पहले movies में, I don't remember movies, but जैसे अब OTT shows में जितना भी होता है ना, all your दिल चाहता है ले लो, और ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा ले लो, all these boys groups and shit and all are there. So I was also reflecting on this the other day. I was like, my school में छोटे होते तो I never had a best friend kind of a situation at all. Anyway, I was a nerd. तो nerds का क्या?
nerds के best friends नहीं होते.
Nerds फिर nerds group में हो जाते हैं, तो फिर हम outcasts
पर
थोड़ा
नर्ड
होते
का
हैं ना.
भी एक फ्रेंड हो सकता यार,
Of
वही तो आई
course.
थिंक एक ही तो चाहिए, एक इंसान चाहिए ना जो
Yes,
ऐसा हो तुम्हारे
correct.
टाइप का.
No, बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. तो वैसे मेरे थे, तो मेरे को हम somehow लगता है कि my closest friend in school right? Who I was quite close to till college, and मेरा ही fuck up है. Uh, so I feel like he was my best friend, but somehow I felt like I was never his best friend. You know what I mean? Like in my इतना कोई मेरे को पिटी करने की जरूरत नहीं है मैच ये क्या बकवास बट आई लाइक ही वाज द टाइटेस्ट
jealousy again it's the same thing ना क्योंकि जैसे कृति चली गई उस लड़के के पास तो तेरे को भी वही सेम चीज फील हुई ना कि तेरा वो दोस्त था पर उसका एक और दोस्त था
जैसे मैं तुम्हें
every friend has another better friend
yes
you were insecure about that
yeah I wasn't insecure I think in some times I would feel it like it's not like we were not
wow तू तो मुझे लेके insecure नहीं हुआ और तू इस लड़के को लेकर लड़का था लड़की
लड़का था यार
लड़के को लेकर insecure
so he was like my boy
what
like
was his name your
Raman
boy.
Raman you know
cute
so Raman and I were like
your boy you just said he was my boy
अबे ये listen this is not film language and we are not on a film set कि मेरा boy है कि मेरे लिए चाय लेके आओ this is not that
you wanna set context in shooting terms
in film terms a boy is essentially a personal assistant so everybody has a boy which is very
but I didn't mean it like that I meant like it's very acute way of affection right like
Achha, oh thank so now here's the thing okay so Raman and I were mad tight in school
define mad tight
like we would hang out together तो हमारा जैसे हमारा weekend out would be कि क्या करें पैसे तो उतने होते थे तो हम दिल्ली में जाते थे पालिका बाजार और पालिका बाजार में हमने सब कुछ साथ में किया है हमने कपड़े भी साथ में खरीदे हैं पॉन भी साथ में खरीदा है right खरीदा देखा is weird I don't know how guys are watching porn together which apparently I've heard happens in these boys hostels and I can't even imagine fucking 20 dudes with a hard on at the same time like it's just fucking gross anyway विपुल तूने करा है कभी ऐसे group boys porn तो group boys porn करा है कभी Vipul did मुंह छुपा लिया है and so I used to feel like he was my tightest and I think I was quite close to him also but for example I remember 10th में ना 10th में there was this 10th में वो नहीं होता कि 10th 11th में sorry sections अलग से नहीं बाहर के लोग भी जो स्कूल में आ जाते हैं ना स्कूल चेंज करते हैं लोग कि उस स्कूल में कुछ हुआ नहीं और इस स्कूल में आ जाओ whatever so there was this one kid उसका नाम नहीं मुझे याद but there was this one guy who was you know who had like little bit more money, little bit more like it was very fucking student of the year vibes where he was like the cool new thing. So I remember that suddenly they would start hanging out all the fucking time, okay? And I would start feeling like very third wheelish.
Is this the same बच्चा जिसको तूने अपना computer gift कर
दिया था? No, that was a different. वो तो तब मैं लुधियाना में था तब तो बहुत छोटा था. This is like 10th, 11th. So somehow I always felt during that time in hindsight I realized this and I was like यार ये सही है मतलब suddenly one fucking new person then I started feeling a little bit like stale that doesn't mean that was the thing that affected the friendship obviously not and we've done a lot of stuff there like lots of years
तो यहाँ पे तो you kind of felt ignored
हाँ and that doesn't mean कि हमारी friendship
did you tell him
no
You never
boys don't tell these
things. That's
boys
what I was
don't
asking
discuss
you
this shit.
क्या करते थे मिलके एक साथ all your answers were हम ये खेलते थे हम वो करते थे हम पॉन खरीदते थे
well, we would
बातें नहीं करते थे
बातें करते थे but I don't think guys go into heart to heart कि guys हमारा वही होता था shit यार 40 रुपए का वो CD खरीदी साली स्क्रैच हुई है चल नहीं रही
यार अरे bro हट ना आज दारू पीते हैं भूल जाओ उसे
हाँ बिल्कुल तुम एक्चुअली तुम लव रंजन कैरेक्टर हो तुम एक्चुअली एक तुम बिल्कुल करेक्ट लव रंजन कैरेक्टर हो तुम
बॉयज आर लाइक दिस मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूं मैं ऐसी हूं
हां बट तुमने बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट नब्स पे हाथ रखा है
पर तू भी ऐसा है
I am like that. I am like that. And so my
if till date if let's say I'm crying over something all Gursimran says is हाँ तो you know how everyone is na just move on na
this is the wisdom of a 40-year-old. Okay, this is the wisdom.
No, it's the inability to be or connect emotionally because boys are not taught to be vulnerable. Boys do not connect with their female friendships. Female friendships?
Yeah.
Do not connect with their emotions. I don't know what I just said. The feminine side.
I disagree. I think I connect. I think I'm fairly vulnerable. Or I've become better at being.
You become being better, but iske upar bhi there is research and there's science. Okay, of course, my friendships were very like emotionally deep. So in all my friendship, अगर कोई मेरे साथ close है, then I am very vulnerable, and the other person also becomes vulnerable.
But
and I
give
think,
me an
and even
example. Like, give me an example of what a emotionally vulnerable situation would be with a friend, which is like different from us
I
as
mean, like,
guys.
for example, like if you felt ignored with Raman, you never went and you told him. Versus I'm 100% sure मैंने कृति या किसी को भी जाके ये बोला होगा कि यार, like I'm not liking this, or you know we're not talking enough.
So did you tell her when she started
I'm
dating
sure
that
किसी
guy?
ना किसी वे
कि
में
listen.
अरे वो तो बहुत ही ऑब्वियस था, हम दोनों एक दूसरे से नफरत करते थे. We would hang out also, but हमें पसंद नहीं थे एक दूसरे हम एक दूसरे को पसंद नहीं करते थे, I think.
Wow. Okay.
And it was very obvious. And
Didn't you put Kriti in a spot then? Ki what the fuck, man? Like now I have to balance both of their emotions. Like if I was Kriti in that situation, I'd be like, oh
उस वक्त
god.
तो देखो, जब प्यार आता है तो आप सबसे पहले तो आप प्यार को ही प्रायोरिटी देते हो ना.
So you felt the same thing that I felt, na? When a new person
बट
has come
मैंने
in.
एक्सप्रेस किया होगा ना वो चीज, तूने नहीं किया. इज द डिफरेंस व्हिच
हाँ,
आई
fair.
फील इज अगेन मे बी अ जेंडर्ड थिंग. एंड या लाइक फीमेल मेल फ्रेंडशिप्स, अगर हम उसी टैंजेंट पे जा रहे हैं, एक्चुअली हम अपने फ्रेंडशिप्स के थ्रू फीमेल एंड मेल फ्रेंडशिप्स के ऊपर बात कर सकते हैं.
Exactly.
थ्रू दैट, थ्रू आवर
Exactly.
एक्सपीरियंसेस.
Exactly.
So yeah, and mine is the opposite of yours. Like even though I think we all feel the same emotions, but then how we express those emotions and how we deal with those emotions are very different in terms of from a male and female perspective also. So I would have 100% communicated, and there are various studies done on friendships.
What are these studies you
है
keep
यार,
listening?
मुझसे कोट वोट मत करना, मैं भूल जाती हूँ किन्होंने करे. बट देयर इज दिस थिंग दैट yes, male friendships are more activity driven and female are more like emotionally
Rona driven.
पता है, देखो ये मैंने कल तुझे बताया था ना, ये
क्या मेरे
रोना
को याद?
ड्रिवन, इसका ओरिजिन भी एवोल्यूशनरी पर्सपेक्टिव से क्या है कि
नहीं.
when women used to give birth, when they were pregnant, they would need other women to take care of them and help in childbirth, and then that's why they would be around more women, and उस चक्कर में वो ज़्यादा share करते थे, while men would be out.
The two men have to go and hunt a bear so that they can feed the new baby, no?
मैं
So
उसके
that is a
आगे की
shared
बात कर रही हूँ,
activity.
एग्रीकल्चर उसके बाद की बात कर
अच्छा,
रही हूँ.
मुझे नहीं पता ना ये
Hunter
study-
gatherer की बात
मुझे नहीं
कर
पता
रही
ना ये
हूँ मैं
तुम्हारी
अभी.
study
कि
कौन सा-
उसको बेर भालू को हंट करके लाना है उसके लिए, तो उस वे में हम ज्यादा बॉन्ड भी करने लगे, and maybe that's why the vulnerability comes. But they also say that men benefit from being around when men are with women, when they are encouraged to be more vulnerable, and वो हो जाते हैं more vulnerable when they are around women.
तभी तो सैयारा वैयारा चल रहा है इतना अभी जबरदस्त.
क्यों?
Because they become more vulnerable when they're around women.
हाँ, वो अनीत पड्डा को देख के बदल गया. देख, तूने देखी भी नहीं है क्रिश कपूर.
मैंने नहीं देखी पिक्चर.
सब कुछ
मैं
भूल
भी
गया
तो तुम्हें
वो
तो
आई उसके लाइफ
after I
में.
met you did I not change?
You were always like this with me. However, I do remember Tanmay coming and telling me that I don't know what you have done to Khamba. He has started smiling ever since he's met you.
Way to make it about yourself, bro.
But he did
Way
say
to
that to me.
fucking make it about yourself.
We are all surprised to see him smile like this. कि वो ऐसे हंसता ही नहीं है. मैंने तुम्हें हंसना सिखा दिया दोबारा.
अब क्या भैंचो सैड म्यूजिक लगाऊं पीछे से तो सैयारा म्यूजिक लगाऊं मैं तुम्हारी. Oh my god. नहीं, okay, here's the thing. Okay, for me that school thing, it's just coming to bring it back. That school friendship is not like that determined कि यार मेरे इसके कारण I made a change in my life going अच्छा अब तो मैं इसी तरह की friendships
हाँ.
रखूंगा या वो. I don't think it impacted me that way.
But sometimes these things can impact you. तुझे लगता है कि उसके वजह से तुम शेल में चले गए and you started focusing on other things. Like, you know, your पढ़ाई will never reject you. But this is a fact. Sometimes I feel मैंने बहुत time waste किया अपने friendships पे. But education will never betray you.
Yeah.
Focusing on yourself will never betray you.
That's what I meant when I said कि I am very comfortable spending time with myself and मुझे कभी वो वाली reliance नहीं होती थी अपने दोस्तों वगैरह पे. That is what I meant. I felt like I was, for example, I was like, okay, अगर मैं video game खेल रहा हूँ, मैं book पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ, या मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, या मैं कुछ
I
सीख
think
रहा
it
हूँ.
was just a way for you to detach from everything, because you had your parents' separation that you had to deal with, and
Yeah.
then in your friendships also, if you experienced something like this, so maybe very early on in your childhood you learned to not rely on humans for any of your needs.
Yes.
And you that's why you kind of got involved. Oh my god, I have like figured you out. Therapy.
तो मैं पता है चाइना में रूल बन गया है आजकल, जिस तरह की तुम एडवाइस दे रहे हो, जो तुमने ज्ञान पेलना चालू कर दिया। बाय द वे, जब हमने पॉडकास्ट चालू किया था तो हमने एक्सप्लिसिटली एक दूसरे को बोला था कि वी शुड नॉट गो इनटू ज्ञान मोड, और जो तुमने अभी मेरे को फिगर आउट कर लिया एज अ थेरेपिस्ट, यू हैव गिवन मी ज्ञान, आई
मैं
डोंट नो हाउ
सोच
टू
रही हूँ हो
रिएक्ट।
सकता है ये,
वेरी
हो सकता है ना।
पॉसिबल, वेरी पॉसिबल, वेरी पॉसिबल।
But then in today's time, do you think friendships are important? Because if you think that friendships are not important, then good or bad का तो फर्क, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है?
When I say friendships are not important, I feel like they are not a deal breaker for me to live my life. Like if I have till now, if I have no friends tomorrow, will I miss human connection in terms of hanging out with the guys and stuff? Maybe right now I don't miss it that much.
Because you've never relied on
I've never relied
friendships for any of your external needs or internal needs.
करेक्ट। तो जब मैं दिल चाहता है देखता हूँ और मैं हैंगओवर देखता हूँ, मुझे कोई वो नहीं लगता कि वाओ यार क्या गांड फाड़ दी इन्होंने एंड व्हाट अ फ्रेंड दिस थिंग। मेरे को इट्स वेरी वियर्ड, बट मेरे को वो इमोशनली नहीं कनेक्ट,
कुछ भी नहीं होता।
नहीं, आई जस्ट एंजॉय देम फॉर फिल्म्स, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, बट आई एम आई something that feels like wow, what an aspirational thing to do, that I must you know go hang out with my friends and we need to do a road trip, मुझे वो अंदर से कभी नहीं आया। So can I live my life without? Yes. Are they important? Sure, but I feel, here's what I figured, because I feel like I'm not so good at being able to maintain friendships, I feel like I also don't open up as much. For example, I'll give you an example. When I was in college, right, in TIS, when I was in TIS, I had a friend of mine, because we were 2 years and we would hang out every day, right? Now, again, like I said, I don't have like best friend type of definitions, but we were very close for those 2 years. We used to hang out almost every day after class and all that. After college was over, I just didn't stay in touch, right? And now that's my issue. In fact, very recently when I'd gone to Bangalore and I'd performed, and so he had come to watch the show also in Bangalore, right? And Ananda, if you're watching, you'll know this. And then we spoke and I was like, let's catch up, and he messaged me also. And I am just so bad at fucking staying in touch in terms of messaging people back. I replied back 2-3 times. Then the 4th time I forgot. And then 2 दिन हो गए मैं भूल गया हूँ. And उसके बाद day 3 पे मेरे को guilt feel हो रहा है. I'm like, यार, I'm gonna look like an asshole because I didn't reply to him for 3 days. And then suddenly my brain goes, don't reply only. If you have made into an asshole, then just be the asshole. And now that doesn't mean I don't want to hang out with him or that I would not like to catch up. I would love to do that. But because I'm so fucking bad at like maintaining a bare minimum, like I almost feel...
So, okay, you're bad at maintaining these friendships.
Yes.
We have figured why, because तुम्हें कभी
when did this become a fucking let's diagnose me
I'm just trying
episode?
to make sense. I'm just trying to make sense of all this. No? Otherwise,
Okay.
it's sounding like random information.
Okay.
I'm just trying to connect it all,
Sure.
joining the dots.
Sure, fair.
And so now today you feel that you're a bad friend because of all of this.
Yeah.
And now basically अब ऐसा situation आ गया है that you just forget replying. You don't stay in touch with friends.
Yeah.
You have never stayed in touch with friends.
Yeah.
But now you are aware that it's not a nice thing.
Yeah, I'm aware it's not a nice thing, and then I try.
You try.
Dude, in the middle I tried, okay, a couple of years ago. I was like, I went on this path of, man, I've been a terrible friend. I need to catch up with people, okay? And I remember...
But for that, were there any people in your life who tried being like that person who tried?
Yes. And then I think they have all given up on me now because they're like, yeah, aisa hi
But
hai.
they tried. Like unlike Raman, who kind of started hanging out.
He
as a
also
cool friend.
tried. And then I've...
तुम पूरी information बता नहीं
नहीं,
रहे
मैं
हो
एग्जांपल
therapy
दे रहा हूँ
session में.
कि I... एक तो भैंचो दी क्यों बन गया मेरा थेरेपी सेशन?
धीरे धीरे पेशेंट वेंट करता है. आप टाइम ले लो. पानी चाहिए, कॉफी? चबू.
Like, Raman was at our wedding also. I went and met him in
I
Delhi.
have never met this
You
Raman.
have met him. You have an image with... You have photographs you have forgotten.
On the shadi?
Yeah.
अरे शादी तो
Shadi
कौन
was a
याद
blur.
रखता है?
Shadi was a blur. Fair. But my point is, after that, I've gone and met him a couple of times and stuff like that. And he's tried to stay in touch also.
But you haven't. You've not reciprocated.
I've forgot. Yeah, I've lost touch. Like, for example, a couple of months ago, he messaged saying, when are you in Delhi next? Let's catch up. And I remember making
But
it a
do
mental
you
note.
think it's because तेरे पास time नहीं है ज़्यादा, because you have like so much work to do that...
Yeah, but I feel like beyond the point, I start using that as an excuse.
वो तो है. ये तो मैं बोलना चाहूंगी, अगर किसी को कुछ करना होता है ना तो वो कर सकता है. ओबामा प्रेसिडेंट था, पर वो जिम हमेशा जाता था सुबह उठ के. वो 6 अंडे खाता था और फिर वो जिम जाता था
और वो फिर भी ओसामा
क्योंकि
को मार
उसको
देता था रात को.
एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि उसके लिए वो प्रायोरिटी थी. तो अगर हमारे लिए प्रायोरिटी होती है कि मैं अपने फ्रेंड से टच में रहूं या मैं जिम जाऊं या मैं अच्छा खाऊं, इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रायोरिटाइजिंग गाइस. नोबडी इज टू बिजी. If Obama, being the president, being the most important man in the world at one point, if he could go to the gym, you can take out 30 seconds to message your friend, yeah.
Yes, I agree. And that's what I'm saying. I was terrible at it. And I feel like I have gone into that cycle of, because I'm so bad at it, let me not
Fuck
start.
it only.
हाँ कि ना.
Escapist हो आप.
हाँ तो अब मेरे को ना बड़ा गिल्ट होता है. अब मेरे को लगता है कि अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी इफ आई मैसेज अ फ्रेंड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, इन माय हेड आई नो व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग. दे आर थिंकिंग अब बहनचोद क्या चाहिए इसे, क्योंकि इसने 6 महीने बाद मैसेज किया है. सो आई फील रियली बैड बिकॉज आई फील लाइक ऑल माय क्लोज रिलेशनशिप्स, which is why my two close friends who know this about me and don't now judge me for it, because they know ये बहन जो ऐसा ये 6 महीने बाद उठेगा, and which is the good thing कि 6 महीने बाद उठ के भी everything is the same. It's a very stress free relationship in my head. I feel like that's why I don't try to make, say, new friends, so to speak.
Because they will not be able to accept you.
No, they will accept me fine. I will not be good enough to be able to maintain it. So I'm like, why to
But
take
we
that
have also
panga?
discussed this. I think Gursimran and I would have been horrible friends.
Yeah.
क्योंकि I would have had so many issues with you, Gursimran. It's not even funny.
Wow.
The kind of
Wow,
friend that
man.
you are.
What the fuck, dude?
ये हम बात कर चुके
Suddenly,
हैं.
पहले तुमने इसे थेरेपी सेशन बना दिया, उसके बाद अब shitting on
वो अब मैं
Gursimran session.
थेरेपिस्ट वाले पर्सोना से बाहर आ
Oh
चुकी
my
हूँ. अब
fucking god.
मैं स्मिथ बन चुकी
Bitch
हूँ.
out your partner session में आ
Oh
गए.
shit, it's so funny because मैं पहले कह रही हूँ don't say that you're a bad friend, don't say that you're a bad friend. मैं खुद बोल रही हूँ हाँ, तू है ऐसा यार, तू तो
What a fucking
है.
flip, dude.
लानत हो तुझ पे, लानत हो तुम पे, जो भी वर्ड है.
पहले ठीक बोला था बाबा.
Lalat.
Anyway, but-
Is it important for our friends to like the person we are with?
Yeah. That is the question.
Yeah,
Like if tomorrow, if one
it is important.
if one of your if one of your friends shits on me or hates me,
Yeah.
will that change? Like, is this a thing? I feel like we've not had this issue in life, because I remember specifically the first time I made you meet Abhijit and Vasu and all. At that time, we had a great time together, and I remember you had gone to the loo and stuff, and Tabs had told me, he was like, "Arish, bro, she's so fun. I'm so happy for you," and
Yeah,
stuff
because
like
I'm
that.
fun. That's true. It's true.
Sorry, Abhijit, she's become an obnoxious little shit now, which she was not when you had met her initially. Clearly, she has turned into some other human being.
यार मुझे लगता है वो डिपेंड करता है हम किस स्टेज ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप में है. मे बी इनिशियली वी वांट के आवर फ्रेंड्स शुड लाइक आवर पार्टनर्स, बट एट द सेम टाइम यार जरूरी नहीं है. जरूरी थोड़ी है, क्योंकि आपकी रिलेशनशिप आपकी पार्टनर के साथ अलग होगी और आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ अलग होगी. अगर हम जानते हैं कि अगर हम कैसे सेपरेट करके रखें चीज़ों को, तो हो सकता है कि हम फ्रेंडशिप भी मेंटेन कर ले. और वो क्योंकि अब देख, मैं तेरे को 9 साल से जानती हूँ. 9 साल में मैं शायद अभिजीत से सिर्फ 9 बार ही मिली हूँ. तो क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है. फर्क तब पड़ता है अगर मैं एज अ पार्टनर मैं भी जज करने लग जाऊँ. मैं बोलूँ कि तू नहीं मिलेगा अभिजीत से, यू कांट बी फ्रेंड्स विद दिस पर्सन और यू कांट बी फ्रेंड्स विद दैट पर्सन, देन आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स इट विल बी अ डील ब्रेकर. बट अदरवाइज अगर आप फ्रीडम दे रहे हो,
चलो हाँ.
and then why should that matter whether if your friends are liking your partner or not? However, I have realized in my experiences is that our friends can sometimes see things that we can't see when we are dating someone or when we are newly in love with someone. And I have had that experience with one of my closest friends. बहुत ज़्यादा. Every time she dates another boy, I miss that phase. I have to be honest. I think it's so fun जब आप उस dating phase में होते हो. और आजकल के ज़माने में तो हर लड़के का और हर लड़की का हर महीने बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड ऐसे बदलते हैं with social media and everything.
Yeah.
But यार वो बहुत जल्दी प्यार में पड़ जाती है.
Okay.
ठीक है, उसको वो एक लड़के से मिलेगी और उसको 5 दिन में प्यार हो जाएगा and then हम उससे मिलते हैं.
हाँ.
And you know there are things. अब मैं कैसे बताऊँ, ये बहुत फनी स्टोरी है. तो वो आई, उसने हमें अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से मिलाया और हमें मज़ा आया उस टाइम पे. एंड फिर वो घर गए एंड मेरी फ्रेंड ने बस मजाक किया उसके साथ कि ओ शिट मैं तो गाड़ी की चाबी, घर की चाबी भूल गई. और वो गुस्सा हो गया. नहीं गुस्सा नहीं हुआ. ही सेड कि ओ शिट अब हम क्या करें, चाबी नहीं है, दरवाज़ा कैसे खुलेगा. एंड देन शी सेड मजाक किया. एंड देन ही सेड कि you're testing me. You're testing me.
Oh,
Now
shit.
that to me from an outside perspective is a red flag. But जब हम प्यार में होते हैं ना, हम, और स्पेशली गर्ल्स एंड स्पेशली पीपल जिनका एनीवे ट्रॉमा है ऑफ पीपल प्लीजिंग एंड ऑफ देम हैविंग टू प्रूव देयर वर्थ, वो नहीं समझ पाती कि यार ये शायद ये ठीक नहीं है,
करेक्ट बिहेवियर नहीं।
और मैंने बात करी थी उस लड़के से और मैंने उसको समझाने की भी कोशिश करी थी कि लिसन, लाइक यू नो इट्स जस्ट अ जोक। वो बात ही नहीं कर रहा था यार, वो किसी और का ओपिनियन सुन ही नहीं रहा था। तो उस वक्त तो हमें समझ आ गया कि ये तो नहीं चलेगा, पर उसको समझने में और 4-5 महीने लगा।
एक मुझे इससे तुम्हारी स्टोरी भी याद आई है कि we were supposed to go meet one of your friends and I anyway little uncomfortable meeting new people who are outside of my circle, right? So and I was meeting your friends and somewhere I felt I was also like, okay, I need to impress.
When we started dating,
I need to impress them. And she had brought another date along. एंड आई रिमेंबर गेटिंग इरिटेटेड कि मैं तुम्हें ही पहली बारी दूसरी तीसरी बारी मिल रहा हूँ, प्लस तुम एक और डेट ले आई हो। एंड जो तुमने ये चीज बोली थी ना कि योर फ्रेंड्स कैन सी थ्रू द बुलशिट जब वो प्यार में होते हैं, ये सेम चीज हुई थी। बिकॉज वो लड़का आके बोल रहा है, मैंने कहा डू यू हैव इंस्टाग्राम? नो, आई एम नॉट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम दैट मच, बट आई हैव अ रूल ऑन इंस्टाग्राम दैट आई ओनली फॉलो if his rule was that जो उसका फॉलोइंग होगा उसका फॉलो और फॉलोइंग हमेशा सेम रहना पड़ता है। कि अगर मैंने 67 फॉलो किए हैं तो मेरे फॉलोइंग भी 67 होने चाहिए।
I remember this now.
Yes, now because of that shit he would not say follow us, because अगर हमें उसने फॉलो कर लिया उसके फॉलोइंग 67 हो गए, पर उसको फॉलो तो 66 लोग ही कर रहे हैं। अब वो देख रहा है
तो you saw that, even though you're not friends with my friend, but you could see through it.
Yes, so
but ये है, I think जब हम प्यार में पड़ते हैं ना, I think कुछ हॉर्स ब्लिंकर्स या पता नहीं क्या ब्लाइंड फोल्ड आ जाते हैं हमारे आंखों के वहां पे, हम देख ही नहीं पाते उस इंसान को for who or she, for who they actually are, और हम इमेजिन करते हैं for their potential maybe। but ये तो बहुत ही चूतिया लड़का था bro।
Exactly।
उससे ब्रेकअप करने के बाद ना उसने उसको फीडबैक फॉर्म भेजा था।
What?
हाँ, give me what did you like about our relationship? What did you not like about our relationship? I can implement it better. What can I implement better going
भाई
forward?
start by easing up on your fucking Instagram। भाई मेरे को तो अब उस दिन मेरे को याद है ये इरिटेशन हुई थी। एक तो मेरे को इरिटेशन थी कि I am anyway I barely know your friend, right? And now this third motherfucker who I can see कि who is this psycho potential serial killer that we have in our midst, with whom we have to eat fucking pancakes and shit like that. Bro, it was too much.
So it again proves my point as to why friendships are important.
That you need one person
Actually,
to tell you
this
who's
episode could have
weird.
been that only. Through our examples, we are proving to you that friendships are important. You
and
need
me,
a friend.
And me protesting saying नहीं जरूरत है।
हाँ।
कोई जरूरत नहीं है। बिना फ्रेंडशिप के लाइफ,
बिना फ्रेंडशिप के अगर अभी एक फ्रेंड नहीं होता उस लड़की के साथ, उस लड़की को नहीं बोलता कि लिसन दिस इज नॉट राइट, तो देन यू कैन स्टे ब्लाइंडेड फॉर सो मेनी मोर। इवेंचुअली हम सबको सेंस आ जाता है, बट एक एंकर मिल जाता है, एक आपको कोई नजरिया मिल जाता है आउटसाइड पर्सपेक्टिव से, जो आप जब प्यार में होते हो आपको नहीं दिख रहा होता है। And you were not even a friend to my friend and you still could see it.
The reason I could see it was because I in general have a very high bullshit meter.
But is that also because for you it takes time to trust people in general?
Yeah, that is true. I think I don't trust people at all, which is also maybe the problem with friendship. Maybe I don't trust people in general.
And that's why you don't let them in, or you don't give. See, it's all going down to your childhood, Gursimran. You don't trust people.
Oh my God, therapist
you
is
don't
Meet
let
is
them
back.
in. You
Therapist
don't,
is
you
Meet
don't
is
give
back.
yourself to others. ये सब वही है, and अभी हम आपका ये break कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, friends are important.
Are you giving yourself points while you're writing on paper? Ki +5 for Ismeet.
+5
in
for
terms of
Ismeet.
this has turned into a fucking debate on whether friends are good or not good.
No. But so you said that you're a bad friend, and you think you're a bad friend, while you also said that you don't think friendships are important. But going forward, you said you're changing that also now about.
I said I tried to change it, and I tried changing it, and then I just did not succeed, I feel, at changing myself in terms of the main thing in this is staying in touch. Like, I don't think I don't have empathy, but I think I tried changing myself in terms of trying to stay in touch.
That means you now think that friendships are important.
No!
Where do you stand today, Gursimran? I stand, okay, our friendship's important for me 100%. You, I am very confused because you...
33%. Should I give it to you in a fucking numeric? Should I give it to you in a numeric? 33%. 50 ले ले, चल तू 50 ले यार, ना तेरी ना मेरी 50 ले।
तू कंफ्यूज है अभी, तू कंफ्यूज है whether friendships are...
मैं कंफ्यूज नहीं हूँ, तुम कंफ्यूज हो। मैं एकदम क्लियर हूँ अपने स्टैंड्स के बारे कि मुझे ये नहीं लग कि if I am at 0% and I have no friends, I'm fine. But because I have friends and I have made friends who I am not good at staying in touch with. I can do better at staying in touch with.
Because you now see that friendships can have merits.
They have merits, but are they defining my world? No.
Okay, fine. Fine.
So are you convinced with my argument? No, you are on 100%.
No, now that you've given me a number, I think, okay, now
Wow.
I understand
Wow.
that you are somewhere still figuring it out and you're thinking that, acha, because कोई दूसरा बंदा effort कर रहा है, तो maybe because I might be a bad friend, but I'm not a bad human, so I should make an effort.
I'm not a bad human, man. What the fuck are you saying?
I'm saying I'm not a bad human. वही तो
हाँ,
बोला
okay.
मैंने. And because you're not a bad human, you are like, acha, let me try to make efforts and let me
Yes.
try to. How do you define making efforts? Like, what do you think? How will you be a good friend? What is the definition of a good friend?
So for me, this is the hardest thing to do is have a conversation just because. Is very hard for me. I don't know why. Now this is really bad because every conversation doesn't need to be transactional, obviously. But if I'm with someone and I'm hanging out in person, I'm okay. I can do all sorts of bakwas and it's absolutely no problem. But say, for example, because most of our friends now are not in town, so you have to, like, I'm not good at calling, I'm not good at texting. So for me, I think my biggest padao in life, which I feel will solve all my friendship woes, is just my ability to stay in touch, which I feel like I just don't have.
But you think it's important now that you're 50-50 about friendship?
Now that I'm 33% to 50%, 33 to 50%, I feel it is important because I feel like, see, like I said, my two close friends who every time we hang out, I have a great time, right? It's really nice catching up, right? It's really nice catching up. Everything is nice. I would like to stay more in touch with them because so many big life things are happening to them, which I am not privy to, or I catch up later. Right? I catch up 6 months later. So that, of course, I would like if I was better in touch with them.
So a good friend stays in touch.
Yes.
I agree. Like, that's very important for me. If you're my close friend, then and actually it's very funny that you say you're like 33-50%, while you have explained a lot about friendships to me through just your way of being. He told me once I had a fight with my friends and I was crying about something, and because I'm an emotional person, अब तो मैंने यहाँ पे भी मैं रो ही चुकी हूँ. Gursimran was the one who came and told me that, Ismeet, what is a good friend? Like, how do you know that person is a good friend to you? A, that person is consistency, and then there is authenticity, and does that person accept you for who you are? तूने ये मुझे लेक्चर दिया था.
Yes.
और तब मेरी आंखें खुल गई थी, एंड तब से मैं एक्चुअली ऐसे ही देखती हूँ कि यार क्या ये इंसान और क्या ये फ्रेंड मेरे लिए अच्छा है. Is this person consistent in my life? Is that person authentic himself? Is that person accepting me for who I am? Because I would like to believe that I would be like this to another person if I have to be a good friend to someone.
Yes. And this is the difference. Like you said, these three things: consistency, authenticity, letting you be yourself.
Yeah.
For me, the problem is I have 2 and 3. I have authenticity. I let you be who you are.
Yeah.
What I am not
Is
consistent.
consistent.
I am absolute jack shit.
And that's why I said that I don't think you and I would have been able to be friends.
Because you need consistency as number one. Here was my diagnosis towards your friendships where you were crying about that you have great consistency. You are constantly in touch, constantly hanging. Everything is great. But there have been times with around your friends, you have come back and said, I don't feel like I can be myself in terms of I feel judged or blah, blah, blah. So in your friendships, you had one. Consistency you had, but you did not have authenticity.
Because I felt there were certain friends in my life where there were not consistency from my end, but there was like probably lack of consistency from the other side.
Sure.
Right? Like, I feel it can be so traumatic where someone comes and disappears, comes and goes, then you don't know.
That was me to my friends, which is why I was saying that I was a bad friend, but I get exactly what you mean. I am like the wind. Like,
You let the wind take you to places.
More a fart. I come and I go, I disappear. But the fart is also part of the wind.
So basically, when you're present, and
Yes.
when you are like after
when I'm
that,
out, I'm out.
No, but even when you are present, I have realized this again. This is, and I think maybe this is again a girl boy thing, is that when I hang out with my friends, I ask them, how are you? What is happening in your life? क्या चल रहा है? You don't do that.
Guys don't do that.
And I have other guy friends in my life also. And in fact, yesterday only we had this conversation. I was out with Gursimran and two of my other boyfriends, guy friends.
Guy friends who are also my friends.
यही टॉपिक आया था and I said that yeah but you know मैं पता नहीं इस इंसान से ऐसे गुस्सा क्यों होती हूँ हो रही थी तुम सारे ऐसे हो. But it is a fact. All the friends who are boys in my life, there is this thing where I think because maybe I'm a girl and all, I'm the one asking them कि how are you doing, क्या चल रहा है life में, is everything okay? Boys don't do that with me. मैं अगर जाके अपने बारे में बताऊंगी तो वो सुन लेंगे. But actually विपुल तो करता है कभी कभी. I have to say this. विपुल will after every 15-20 days he will come and he will say is everything okay Smith. उसको लगता है कि मैं हमेशा sad रहती हूँ for some reason. I think that's just my resting face. नहीं नहीं कुछ तो खराब है. But outside of Vipul, I don't think I have many boys in my life who will come and who will actually.
I think I'm really happy that you have finally realized that mostly 95% of boys are like this, where you don't need to ask how you are, we only tell. Because our opening sentence is not going to be how are you. If I'm in trouble and I'm hanging out with Abhijit, my first thought will be भाई गांड लग गई आज, भाई या तो वाट लग गई. And immediately you discuss.
You guys, you just expect क्या अगर कुछ problem है तो आके बोल देंगे ना, पूछने की क्या जरूरत है?
Yes.
But I don't function like that.
Yes. And the other thing is that how you all process problems are very different from how guys process problems.
Some boys and some girls.
Yes.
No, I also feel that because again I had this whole tendency of I don't want to inconvenience someone. तो मुझे में ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा है as a friend that मैं किसी और को जाके dump कैसे कर सकती हूँ अपनी problem. तो अगर वो मुझसे पूछेगा ही नहीं या पूछेगी ही नहीं कि यार is everything okay, मैं क्यों जाके किसी को trouble करूँ with my problems. तो I think मुझ में वो ज़्यादा आ जाता है. But I'm also learning that slowly कि नहीं यार आप अगर वो कर सकता है वो कर सकती है तो तू भी जाके कर सकती है.
Correct.
But maybe because in the past I have experienced that I have felt like I have been there but that reciprocity hasn't happened. Then I should just stay shut. So maybe there's a fear of that also कि यार मैं जाके बोल तो दूंगी but कोई सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं होगा तो मैं पूछती ही नहीं हूँ अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे नहीं कि how are you doing.
Correct. तो इससे हमारी लर्निंग क्या हुई कि इक्वालिटी ऑन ट्रॉमा डंपिंग, कि जाके तुम फेंक दो अगर तुम्हारे को कुछ फील हो रहा है, ऐसे डरो मत. दैट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ ऑथेंटिसिटी.
But there is another side to it is that we must check with that person first ना.
Yes, of
तो तुम लड़के तो वो भी नहीं करते हो, आगे डंप कर देते हो बस.
लड़कों का बहुत ही रिलैक्स्ड माहौल है. 6 महीने बाद मिलो, सीधा ट्रॉमा डंप करो, मेजर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो.
Exactly why you need to ask how are you doing, guys. You first do a temperature check if that person is is she okay to receive your trauma right now or not.
All guys when they meet after 6 months come pre-built in to discuss trauma dumps.
No.
Yes.
Because you don't discuss trauma. Oh, now I have figured it out.
Yes.
I think it's so easy for you to dump trauma because
we have not fucking bothered each other for 6 months with that bullshit.
No, because even after dumping the trauma, it's not like कुछ होगा.
Yes.
तुम बोल दोगे आजा छोड़ना वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं.
छोड़ना शराब पीते हैं. Yes.
But हमारे साथ ऐसे नहीं होता.
Yes.
मेरे को अगर तुम trauma dump करोगे, बैठ जा गुरसिमरन. फिर क्या हुआ? क्या बोला उसने? वो ऐसी है. तुझे लगता है उसने इसलिए क्या क्योंकि वो हुआ था उसने ऐसे बोल दिया व्हाट अ बिच. ये होता है.
तुम्हारे सेकंड क्वेश्चन तक लॉन्डो में शराब चालू हो जाती है और उसके बाद कोई डिस्कशन नहीं होता है कि बहनचोद क्या हुआ है. इससे ये डिस्कशन होती है जब हम वर्ल्ड कप हारते हैं, जब कोहली डक पे आउट हो जाता है. हम ये नहीं बोल रहे कि ओ माय गॉड उसने तेरे को ऐसे बोल दिया, उसने ऐसे कर दिया. पागल है, इसका टाइम नहीं है. बंदियों का ही तो है. तुम 6 महीने पहले एक दूसरे को हर रोज ट्रॉमा डंप दो क्योंकि तुम्हें कंसिस्टेंसी रखनी है फ्रेंडशिप में. तो तुम हर रोज एक दूसरे को हर डिटेल बता रहे हो, उसके बाद मिलके सेम डिस्कशन बहनचोद 4 बार कर रहे हो. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा. I have been in the room where I swear to God, okay, I won't name one of her friends. You're not friends with her anymore, so it's chill. ठीक है. मैं उस दोस्त को दूर से 2 साल से जानता हूं. मैं इतना कोई क्लोज फ्रेंड नहीं हूं. ठीक है. 2 साल से मैं उस दोस्त को जानता हूं. 2 साल में उस दोस्त की प्रॉब्लम में कुछ चेंज नहीं आया. जनवरी 2021 में प्रॉब्लम ये थी, हाँ आई मेट दिस गाय, ही इज वियर्ड ओनली बट ही इज स्वीट ओनली, या ही इज नाइस. फिर 1 महीना तुमने वो डिस्कस. 2023 जनवरी में भी बहनचोद सेम प्रॉब्लम. या आई मेट दिस गाय, ही इज नॉट कंसिस्टेंट, ही इज नॉट, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू फील. एंड आई एम लाइक यहाँ पे बहनचोद 2 साल से कुछ बदला ही नहीं है तुम्हारी लाइफ में. और तुम भाई और तुम हर नए लौंडे पे सेम एंथुसियाज्म के साथ सेम 8 सवाल पूछ रहे हो. ओह माय गॉड, ही डिड व्हाट. My friends would be like, बोलने के 3 बार सेम चीज बोल चुका है, तुम खुद हैंडल कर, बकवास मत कर, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. तुम इतना मेहनत, that is why I feel like even with you, because you are there for your friends, somewhere I was like, यार थोड़ा you also, this was just my feeling which we have had this discussion कि it's okay, let them figure it out like how guys do.
Okay.
Right?
So qualities of a good friend is be consistent, be there for your friend,
Be authentic
but also let them be a little
and
bit.
let them be also ना, खुद
You're
भी तो
saying-
Spartan
But I
mentality.
think there has to be. I think if you are friends with opposite gender,
Yeah.
so then find a middle ground. What is? I think ये तो ज़्यादा वो opposite gender वाली बात हो गई. तो then
हाँ,
I think it's
true.
important to find a middle ground here.
Okay.
कि
Which is what I am, 33% to
that हर
50%.
चीज को ज़्यादा analyze करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Yes.
But आप पूछ, you should also make an effort to find out from that other
Yes.
person how they are doing, what's happening in their life.
Yes.
Doesn't mean कि आप हर बार हर रोज ये
Yes.
करो. But
Did you ever want a best friend? Oh, gee, we've
we
already
discussed
discussed
that.
this. We
I did
discussed
want
it.
a best friend, but like I said, because of all of the things which we have discussed, I feel in today's world, it's expecting so much from someone is just unrealistic. सबकी अपनी अपनी problems होती है, and उससे मैं ही hurt होंगी with these expectations. So now I don't label my friends. Do you label your friends?
I have two
You have
friends.
two friends.
And because I have
Your
two,
buckets.
because
Your
I have
buckets
two
are-
friends, their labels are their names. I don't need to label
So
them
you
as
have
best
these
friend.
two friends, and then everyone else for you is in
Is a good
separate
friend.
bucket.
Yeah, they're
Everyone
all.
is a good friend. Though they're acquaintances, there are close friends, there are good friends.
This is also-
there is a theory.
this is
Mr.
also-
Dunbar has said.
Eh? Who is Mr. Dunbar? Okay, she has probably fucking Google research behind my back.
Mr. Dunbar has said.
Who is Mr. Dunbar?
He is somebody.
हमारा साला ग्वांडी भी हो सकता है वो तो.
Who?
Neighbor. Sorry. ग्वांडी is neighbor in Punjabi. Anyway, हाँ. गांडू नहीं बोला मैंने. क्या कर रही है यार? चल ना. क्या बोल रहे हैं मिस्टर
मैं बता
डनबार?
रही हूँ, मैं बता
अच्छा,
रही हूँ.
चश्मा पहने. Oh my god, the fucking therapist is in the house.
Mr. Dunbar's layered circles of friendships. बट ये सही है, मैंने एक बुक पे भी पढ़ा है बेसिकली. इस buckets actually just shows कि तेरी ब्रेन में कैपेसिटी ही नहीं है, तू cognitively challenged है. Our propensity and our ability to form friendships, it's a factor of how much our brains can process, how many relationships our brains can process at one point.
So you're telling me because I just have two friends that my brain can only process two friendships?
Maybe you're slow like that. You're cognitively challenged. क्योंकि for normal human beings, ठीक है, layers होते हैं, layers like an onion.
I know what layers are.
तो first
My
layer
brain
is
is cognit-
यहाँ पे first layer में first circle is five, where we at one point in time we can only have 5 close friends,
Okay.
and then that layer increases 50 friends and 150 meaningful contacts,
That's Facebook.
then 500 acquaintances,
That's Instagram.
and 1500 people who we can recognize.
LinkedIn.
This model suggests that we can only maintain a limited number of close relationships because of cognitive limits.
Mr. Dunbar agrees with me, na? Then
No,
by
but
that
you have
logic.
only 2. I have at least 5
With
तो
2
होंगे
is under
मेरे.
5.
So 5 people. So at one, sometimes a lot of people take pressure ना कि यार मैं ये relationship मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. Like I'm not able to give too much to this relationship. I don't have time. It's because our brains cannot process so many relationships altogether.
I was gonna come to that. The reason I was asking you this question is because if you can only maintain 5 friendships logically, according to this theory,
At one point.
at
in
one
time.
point,
Close friendships.
close friendships, have you ever let go of your friends, or have friendships petered out, or have you let them?
I think they have petered out for you.
I'll give
Like,
it
yeah.
like I was telling you, like my Raman, who I was talking about, my friend, lovely guy, right? Like, but I genuinely felt like where we were in life, partly because he was in Delhi, partly because I was in Bombay, because I'm in entertainment, he's totally in the business side of things. His field is totally different. I felt like how we looked at the world and how what we thought was important and a priority in the world became very different, which is वो भी तो natural part of aging है ना, natural part of growing up है.
Yeah.
तो for example, उस situation में अब मेरे को बुरा लगता है बोलने में, बट मुझे जेन्युइनली लगता है कि हम इमोशनली इतने डिफरेंट प्लेन्स पे हैं कि अगर अभी मैं कभी कभी मिलूंगा ना, तो बियॉन्ड द पॉइंट फिर बताऊं क्या होता है, देन यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग न्यू टू टॉक अबाउट. देन द ओनली थिंग यू कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट इज यार वो याद है स्कूल में ये किया था, और याद है साला वो तुमने कॉलेज में ये किया था. लाइक द होल फ्रेंडशिप जस्ट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड नॉस्टैल्जिया rather than creating new experiences.
Yeah.
In fact,
And I think that's where intention comes in the picture. because as you are growing up, you're obviously interacting with more people and you're gaining more experiences. But अगर
हाँ.
आपका intention है
Correct.
तो to have to keep in touch or to continue that relationship, then you will put extra effort. I think as we grow apart, of course I have grown apart, but I think if I have grown apart from my relationships, it's been very intentional growing apart. मतलब वो naturally नहीं हुआ है, वो मुझे समझ आ गया है कि यार this relationship में मैं या तो कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ या वो मुझे इमोशनली कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर पा रहा है, और देन इट्स अ वेरी कॉन्शियस एफर्ट ऑफ टेकिंग अ स्टेप बैक टू प्रिजर्व माय सैनिटी.
Have you done that?
I think I have done that, and I've discussed it with you also. Otherwise, I think like I said, like I named Kriti. My closest friends are still from my school friends, but there were other people, other friends also that I had in my school. वो naturally हम grow apart हो गए because I think हमारी situations बदली, and like you said, you and Raman,
Yeah.
after a point you just had nostalgia, which is also very cool. I think like there's something so nice about nostalgia.
The nice thing about that is कि that is probably the purest part of your friendship, right? उस टाइम पे तुम्हारे ये लाइफ में एजेंडा और ये वो प्रेशर नहीं होते थे कि कुछ बनना है, कुछ ये करना है, वो करना है. आई थिंक इसलिए नॉस्टैल्जिया पे होता है. इससे इनफैक्ट मेरे को एक और बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज याद आई जस्ट ड्रिफ्टिंग अपार्ट को लेके कि वन ऑफ द मेजर थिंग्स, एंड एवरीवन हैज स्पोकन अबाउट इट, आज की डेट में यूएसए में हो रहा है और इंडिया में भी हुआ था. पॉलिटिकल बिलीफ्स के कारण बहुत फ्रेंडशिप्स डिविएट हुई हैं कि जब तुम छोटे होते हो और अब जब तुम कॉलेज में होते हो तुम्हारा एजेंडा लाइफ में बस ये होता है कि भाई शराब पियो, ये करो, वो करो, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. बट एज यू ग्रो ओल्डर यू डेवलप अ पॉलिटिकल वॉइस.
ड्रिफ्ट होगी और बनेंगी भी.
ड्रिफ्ट होंगी और बनेंगी भी, एग्जैक्टली. तुम्हारे को नए नए दोस्त भी मिलेंगे.
चीज होगी ना, दैट्स हाउ यू फॉर्म connections and relationships, because it's as per the other
as
theory,
per Mr. Dunbar,
as per the number of hours theory.
What is the number of hours
number
theory?
of hours theory is that अगर आपको close friend बनाना है guys, आपको उस friend के साथ 200 घंटे बिताने होंगे. 200 घंटे. When you spend 200 hours with a friend, with a person, you can become close friends with that person.
In 200 hours.
Now what those 200 hours will entail, right? उस 200 hours में आपको कोई एक्टिविटी करनी होगी एक साथ. It's not just कि आप काम कर रहे हो, not काम. You are sharing things outside of work. So let's say you're doing any activity together or you're sharing emotional experiences. वो 200 घंटे जब पूरे होंगे तब आप friends बनोगे. This is also the reason why when we are in school we have more friends, because we are doing so many activities together. We are all forced to be in a
situation
closed
together.
space जो आगे बड़े होके नहीं होती है. As we are growing older now, बहुत ही कम. That's why maybe मेरे अभी ज़्यादा friends बने in the last few years, because मैं acting class जाती थी. वहाँ पे मेरे को लोग मिले और हमारे shared same experiences हुए. और अगर हम सीन वर्क के लिए प्रिपेयर करते थे तो हम 10-10 दिन मिल रहे हैं. हम थिएटर प्ले में एक महीना मिल रहे हैं लोगों से. तो हम आउटसाइड ऑफ वर्क ऑल्सो वी आर बॉन्डिंग, एंड देन वी अचीव दोस 200 hours or whatever number of hours, and we kind of progress acquaintance and close friends and this and that. So like with your Raman, and you drifted apart is because after the point A, एक तो आपका you met more people, your priorities changed, so many other things happened, so you're cognitively also you didn't have that capacity to maintain that relationship. You stopped doing new things together, and maybe then there is a small aspect of intentionality. क्योंकि अगर वो intentionality है, then maybe वो चीज revive हो सकती है.
करेक्ट. बट अब मैं ये तुमने बिल्कुल वैलिड बोला, और इस पे ऊपर मैं तुम्हारे को एक और सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, जस्ट टू ब्रिंग इट बैक टू व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग. हैव यू lost friendships because of politics? I have.
Politics?
Yeah, I have, for example. But I've also had situations where I've lost friends. There are some friends who are still on the different side of the political spectrum, which I think is very healthy, and not my close friends, but like my other acquaintances, etc., जहाँ पे toxic नहीं हुआ है, जहाँ पे तुम डिस्कस कर लोगे कि जहाँ पे मैं एक जोक मार सकता हूँ किसी चीज के ऊपर, ये देखा क्या किया तुमने, इसका तो समझ नहीं आया, एंड दे विल काउंटर बैक, हाँ ये देखो केजरीवाल ने क्या किया, ब्ला ब्ला. उस लेवल का हेल्दी है. बट आई फील लाइक ये भी बहुत बड़ा हो गया है.
मुझे लगता है रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स में भी ये ज्यादा मैटर करता है.
Maybe.
In terms of where you stand with respect to politics. नहीं, because where you stand with respect to politics will kind of, in a romantic relationship, come in the way of your life also. For example, let's say if you're hardcore right wing, right, and then आगे जाके किसी को abortion चाहिए. Just an example.
In the US, not
in the US,
so much here.
I know, not so much here, but I'm not like giving examples right now.
Correct.
तो वो तो आपके रिलेशनशिप में आएगा, बट एज फ्रेंडशिप्स आई फील दैट, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि ये पॉलिटिशियंस चाहे जो भी हो, अभी आप बीजेपी में, कांग्रेस में हो, बिहाइंड क्लोज डोर्स दे आर ऑल फ्रेंड्स. So if they are all friends, then हम चूते हुए ना, अगर मैं उनको लेकर लड़ रही हूँ और अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड से, बिकॉज ऑन अ डे टू डे लेवल मेरे फ्रेंड्स है जो जिनकी पॉलिटिक्स मुझसे
है।
अलग है, पर मैं बहुत कॉन्शियस एफर्ट, अगेन इट फॉल्स डाउन टू योर
How much do you want to? हाँ.
हाँ, उसको नहीं लाओ बीच में.
But तुम्हारा point correct था कि then in that case you need to balance out. Like I feel like with my acquaintances, it is okay where we balance it out. I know okay ठीक है, this is
क्योंकि
not
वो
going to be.
एक्वेंटेंस है, सी
हाँ.
आपका डिग्री ऑफ कांटेक्ट उससे इतना ज्यादा नहीं है, तो
हाँ.
आप वो बाउंड्री आसानी से ड्रॉ कर सकते हो.
But ऐसा नहीं है. I have one of my closest, like I will not name who, but one of them is on the opposite side of the political spectrum. हमारी बहुत बहस भी होती है, पर उसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि हम
एक्वेंटेंस है, गुड
नहीं
फ्रेंड
good
है.
friend, one of good friends.
तेरे तो 2 गुड फ्रेंड्स हैं.
Exactly. So now I will let you guess which one. Now I will let you guess which one. But वो है right पे. तो that doesn't matter कि हमारी साली दोस्ती पूरी टूट गई है ना, हमने पर बहुत बहस करी हमने इस चीज को लेके. एंड तो हमारे में आई थिंक एक चीज
उसमें
है,
मैच्योरिटी सी होती है,
उसमें
आप बहस कर लो,
पर रिस्पेक्ट भी है.
इट्स सिमिलर टू,
क्योंकि ऐसा तो है नहीं कि एक साइड ही पूरी राइट है.
हाँ,
दोनों साइड पे गलतियां हैं. तो आप दोनों साइड पे गलतियां एज लॉन्ग एज तुम मानने को तैयार हो. आई थिंक जब वो कट्टरवादी होते हैं कि तुम तो सारी चूतिया हो और हम सारी सही हैं. आई थिंक द मोमेंट इट गोज देयर,
से सब चीज उसमें आती है. इट ऑल बॉइल्स डाउन टू, क्या आप एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हो मुझे जैसी मैं हूँ, क्या आप मुझे फ्रीडम दे सकते हो. फ्रेंडशिप का मतलब फ्रीडम है, तुझे पता है ये? सच बोल रही हूँ, गूगल कर ले. फ्रेंडशिप इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम एन ओल्ड इंग्लिश वर्ड व्हिच मींस फ्रीडम. तो इट बॉइल्स डाउन टू दिस ओनली.
तुमने क्या क्या रिसर्च करी यार, जो मिस्टर डनबार ले आए हो तुम आज, 5 सर्कल्स ऑफ ग्रीफ ले आए हो.
डनबार का पूरा वीडियो देखना है मुझे, अभी मैंने देखा है. इंटरेस्टिंग थ्योरी थी बहुत ज्यादा. इट बिकॉज़ यू नो व्हाट, लाइक व्हेन यू रीड ऑल दिस यू जस्ट स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि यार सब इट्स मेकिंग सेंस टू मी. कि कभी कभी हम इतना प्रेशर ले लेते हैं, यार ये मेरे इतने अच्छे दोस्त हैं, मैं क्यों हैंग आउट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. ये भी था ना जिसके इतने सारे लोग फ्रेंड्स होते हैं ना, उनके बहुत मुश्किल से बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, बिकॉज आपका ब्रेन कैपेसिटी इतने सब लोगों में जा रहा है. बट हाँ, कमिंग बैक टू दिस पॉलिटिक्स वाला पॉइंट, फ्रीडम आप दे रहे हो किसी इंसान को कि यार ये उसका ओपिनियन है. बहस हम जितना भी कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
हम, बट वो डिबेट अगर उसी टाइम पे खत्म हो रही है ना, आई स्टिल लव यू फॉर हु यू आर एज अ पर्सन, देन इट्स अमेजिंग. सिमिलर सेम थिंग गोस फॉर, डू यू थिंक यू कैन डू अ बिजनेस विद अ फ्रेंड?
Yeah, I don't think you should ever do, but that is my personal opinion. I feel no.
Now that we have brought it up,
Never.
I think
Okay.
I want to know. I want to talk.
Oh my
shit.
fucking. Oh, you bastard. Oh, I know what you were getting at.
No.
Oh.
I realized after saying it. So you have done business with your friends.
Yes.
Were they friends first and then AIB? AIB. So were they friends first and
no,
then?
I think we became friends. So when it started, I think because you are so clueless on the comedy scene, at that time there were गिन के कॉमिक्स होते थे, 20-30 तो लोग होते थे पूरे इंडिया में जो स्टैंड अप कर रहे थे. तो वी डिडंट स्टार्ट आउट एज फ्रेंड. रोहन एंड तन्मय वर फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज दे न्यू ईच अदर फ्रॉम द बॉम्बे सीन. मैं तो एनीवे दिल्ली से आया था. सो दे ऑल हैड मोर फ्रेंडशिप्स. आई थिंक वी बिकेम फ्रेंड्स ओवर अ कोर्स ऑफ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
All 4 of you.
All 4 of us. And then after constantly hanging out, realizing we have sort of like the same value system, same beliefs, etc., then we started
Becoming.
So it was not कि हम शुरू से दोस्त
So
थे.
you met as colleagues.
We met as colleagues and we became friends. So unlike say an Abhijit situation where हम एक दूसरे को कॉलेज के पहले से जानते हैं और आज हम बिजनेस सेटअप करेंगे, जो even though Abhijit is my best friend, I will not set up a business with him.
You'll
because
never.
no chance. The moment money enters a friendship, it is effed.
What about you and me? You think you can do business with me?
No.
We're
I
doing
don't-
this together.
This is not a business, na.
I know, but maybe what if we start earning money from it one day? No, so okay, so you guys are colleagues, and I think this is also very interesting, friendships in the industry. Because I feel इतना fluid है यहाँ पे चीजें that you don't realize कब आपका कोई colleague friend बन रहा है.
Correct.
You know, and
Correct.
same thing I've noticed like on sets, right? Like when I've gone for acting, क्योंकि एक तो script आपकी इतनी emotion, एक ह्यूमन चीज कर रहे हो आप एक साथ.
Correct.
तो आपकी प्रेप में ही इमोशंस आ जाते हैं. तो
Correct.
प्रेप में ही इमोशंस आ जाते हैं, देन आपका अक्वेंटेंस टू फ्रेंडशिप वाला बाउंड्री इतनी जल्दी ब्लर हो जाता है. तो बहुत कॉन्शियस आपको होना होता है कि आप थोड़ा डिटैच्ड रहो एंड थोड़ी बाउंड्रीज ड्रॉ करो, और वो हेल्दी रहता है. डिड यू गाइज हैव दोस बाउंड्रीज और डिड यू गाइज जस्ट काइंड ऑफ बिकेम वेरी क्लोज वेरी सून?
No, I think we became quite close pretty soon.
Also you were very young, right?
We were very young, but I do feel like towards the end, and ये लोगों को नहीं पता है, इसका फालतू कंट्रोवर्सी मत बनाना तुम. But I think towards the end, and I remember me and Tanmay having a conversation also, the moment I started writing long form within AIB, I felt like sketches से ना by 2015 types मेरा हो गया था. And within the office also, and everybody who had worked for us knows this, I had started writing government then, which was a very long process of writing. And I feel like around 2016 I had started writing government, and I was very clear at that particular point of time कि यार मेरे को long form करना है. So I feel like even within the four of us, even when we were starting out together, it started out as the same priority, because हमेशा क्या होता है, and this is another thing which I think now everybody admits, I don't think you can have four creative people together run a company. I think you need, which is one of our learnings also, I think you need a business person who sort of
That I agree.
है ना?
I think it's not just about four creative people. I think there's a creative mind and then there is an administrative mind.
correct.
So the business side of things should be handled by someone who can do business. And let the creative person handle
the creativity. So हमारे साथ भी क्या हुआ था, we started growing together where we were all aligned, but यार we are all four humans, we wanted to do our
Different
own
things.
thing, right? Like I was very clear कि अच्छा मेरे को around long form करना है etc. So मैं already थोड़ा mentally check out हो गया
But
था.
that came in the way of your personal equations also. Or you didn't have a personal equation.
No, we had. I feel like what happened was, and this is just my opinion, other people can have different opinions on this. I feel like I had started withdrawing myself a little bit, because when I was writing government, I was in a different writer's room. I wasn't even in office a lot of times, right? I was barely there in the last 2 years. I was doing my own thing outside of office. So I feel like because everyone was working in their own silos and everyone was building their own thing, and how we also started looking at things very differently, right? Like for example,
so it was very professional. Matlab your equations
yeah,
were because of work, and there was no
it went
other...
from friendship, and the more we grew, it became more professional, I think is the way of saying it, where I almost feel like, but again, I feel like that is every company, the bigger it wants to grow, and when there are your own agendas
then
at
do you
play.
think it takes conscious effort at that point to take a pause and then to realize that, oh, you know what, like we are like growing apart in terms of our professions, let's make an effort to...
Maybe it does. I think in hindsight I can reflect that maybe it does. I don't think any of us made that effort. Let me put it that
because
way.
अगर वो effort बनता तो maybe things could...
Maybe.
Do you think things could have been different? Or
they could have been different. I also feel like everybody had such different priorities at that particular point of time. Like I said, like it wasn't just that we had grown creatively. I think we had also grown older. We had different priorities in life in terms of what we wanted to achieve.
Because from the outside, because I wasn't from this world at all, to me it looked like, oh my god, these four are like friends and they're making cool things and they're like besties.
But it was that we were very close and we were making cool things and we were, ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई hunter पढ़ रहे थे, वो दोस्त नहीं थे. I will say कि जो starting में था, I feel like in the beginning, right, most companies basically we were at our purest in terms of our intentions, in terms of wanting to do at that particular point of time. I think the moment you go from pure creative intentions to business, when everyone has to make their own businesses also, I think वो ना चाहते हुए भी नहीं हो पाता है. तो by the end of it, yeah, we were friends. Were we besties? I wouldn't say that. I personally, slight digression, I personally genuinely feel, and I wanted to ask you this also, I genuinely feel like industry के दोस्त नहीं होने चाहिए. मेरे को, if you've noticed, I don't hang out with comics.
Why?
Right? यार comics का ना मेरे को hang out करने में लगता है, एक तो अब कॉमेडी के साथ भी यही हुआ है. कॉमेडी जब हमने स्टार्ट करी थी, स्टैंड अप स्टार्ट करी थी, दैट टाइम इट वाज वेरी प्योर. इट वाज अबाउट, ओ माय गॉड, न्यू आर्ट फॉर्म. Competition नहीं, the intention was to make people laugh. Intention was about craft. Intention was about, oh my god, ये नया आर्ट फॉर्म आया है, इसके साथ बेस्ट हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसके साथ हम मस्ती क्या कर सकते हैं. आई फील नाउ द कॉमेडी, पहले वो भी जब हमने स्टार्ट करी थी, बुक माई शो पे कैटेगरी भी नहीं होती थी, राइट? लिटरली अब हम सबके एफर्ट के कारण वो एक कैटेगरी बन गई है, वो धंधा बन गया.
ये मुझे पता नहीं था.
हाँ, वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ, हम रेस्टोरेंट्स को जाके बोलते थे कि 5-5 मिनट हम स्टैंड अप करने दो, हम आपका ऑडियंस नहीं भगाएंगे, राइट? लाइक उस लेवल से तो स्टार्ट हुआ है. तो नाउ कॉमेडी इज एन इंडस्ट्री. तो एंड बिकॉज कॉमेडी इज एन इंडस्ट्री, देयर आर हैव्स एंड हैव नॉट्स, देयर आर बजिलियनेयर्स एंड कजिलियनेयर्स इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड पीपल हु आर रियली स्ट्रगलिंग टू मेक एंड्स मीट. तो अब तुम कभी ग्रीन रूम में बैठो या कॉमिक्स के साथ बैठो ना, कोई कॉमेडी की बात नहीं कर रहा है, कोई ये नहीं सोच रहा है कि यार इसको ना ऐसे करते हैं. यहाँ तो बिचिंग हो रही है कि भाई उसने उसने ना उसके साथ सेक्स कर लिया.
बिचिंग तो हर जगह होती है.
करेक्ट, बट माय थिंग इज अब
तो गॉसिप है, ये बिचिंग थोड़ी हो रही है, उसने उसके साथ सेक्स कर दिया. बट यू नो दैट, इसके बारे में चल बाद में आते हैं. हाँ.
तो कहने का मतलब कि फिर मेरे ब्रेन को लगता है, आई एम लाइक यार मैन, मतलब इसको, मतलब वो ना, इट फॉर मी आई फील लाइक अब मैं क्या बात करूं, मुझे नहीं पता कि नोएडा में प्रॉपर्टी प्राइसेस क्या है और तुमने 4 BHK
पर
खरीदा,
इसका
मुझे नहीं
इंडस्ट्री
पता.
से क्या कनेक्शन है? मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, इंडस्ट्री में फ्रेंड्स नहीं होने चाहिए, पर मुझे लगता है
मेरा
that is to do with the competition which comes.
Yes, so that was where I
Which
was
can be
coming.
very unhealthy, and
Yes.
it takes a lot of maturity to keep that competition away.
Yes.
I feel that especially यहाँ पे as an actor I can say कि यहाँ पे आपको इतने rejections मिलते हैं हर रोज, और आप इतने insecure हो जाते हो, and then you realize कि यहाँ पे हर दूसरा बंदा उसको आपकी कोई they are jealous if let's say you
Correct.
get something, they feel insecure, they get jealous, and then they become very different around you.
Correct.
So for that reason I took a step back from my I have friends who are also actors, and pata nahi, for some reason we have bonded over things which are not related to acting,
100%.
which I think is great over acting also. But I think maybe there are a few people in my life who are not judgmental and who are not insecure, but I have met a lot of people जो बहुत competitive हो जाते हैं and वो toxic हो जाता है. So maybe comedy में भी, और
Comedy में
कोई
भी-
भी work environment में मुझे लगता है, school में भी ऐसे होता था.
Yes.
Simran.
कोई भी वर्क एनवायरनमेंट में जहाँ पे यू आर competing for the
Same
same
level.
thing on some level, like मेरा मे बी इट्स स्लाइटली डिफरेंट इन द सेंस कि बिकॉज मैं बुढ़ा हूँ एंड अब मैं वेटरन्स में माना जाता हूँ इन द कॉमेडी सीन, मेरे को एटलीस्ट मेरे साथ कोई वो वाली बात नहीं करता, मेरे साथ मोस्टली रिस्पेक्टफुल है, बट आई डोंट लाइक टू पुट माई सेल्फ इन दैट एनवायरमेंट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. एक तो ये भी है, तुमने भी तो ये मेरे को बोला था, जो कॉमिक्स की प्रॉब्लम है कि तुम कॉमिक्स के साथ हैंग आउट करो तो बहनचो कंपटीशन बन जाता है. यू हैड ब्रॉट दिस अप.
Yeah, earlier I used to feel like that everyone is trying to sound funnier than the next person in the room. There is maybe it's a subconscious thing where you're taking that pressure of sounding very funny. Like
Yeah.
that. But yeah, school mein, this is reminding me this competition thing. I had a friend in school, and now I was a good student. So, and हम लोग 3 friends थे, and I would do my work properly. I would get good grades. This other friend of mine during exam time would call my other friend and say that, ask her, स्मित का कितना हो गया है? अच्छा उसने ये पढ़ लिया है, अच्छा उसके बाद अब और इसको कितना बचा है. And I used to feel disgusted when I would get to
Yeah.
know about this, because तुम तो मेरी friend, तो मुझसे पूछ लो ना अगर तुम्हें कुछ पूछना है.
Correct.
Why are you comparing your performance with my performance behind my back?
Correct.
I think that is very, very, very toxic, and I'm not that person.
I 100% agree, and I feel like the whole, which is why I feel like I am so much mentally more grounded, because my friends don't give a fuck about the industry. They're not from the industry. I feel like if I were in your situation, I feel like it's harder for actors, but even for writers and directors, same ही है.
हाँ, same है.
कि यार I would not be able to trust anyone only कि तुम्हारा intention क्या है. In fact, ये तो मेरे को AIB पे भी feel होता था कि जब कोई, you know, they're trying to be nice to you,
Yeah.
then my brain would always be, are you just playing nice because you want something from us? And actually उससे
But
पता
that maybe comes after you have
achieved a certain
achieved
distance.
something where someone can gain something from you.
Correct.
Like
But
you can feel like that. Abhi to I am just a beginner right now, but
But even in beginners, it's the same thing. And I almost feel like in beginners, it's even harder and even worse, because you're like, ultimately, you are competing for such few roles, right? It's so hard, like between girls. Like if I were in your shoes,
I
I
have
too
had
wouldn't be able to
that-
trust any girl, female actor. Like, I'm not even kidding. If I were in your shoes, I'd be like, just stay away. Like, it's because this industry is mad
I try
toxic.
staying away purposely because मैं चाहती ही नहीं हूँ कि मेरे लाइफ में कभी वो स्टेज है जहाँ मैं ऐसे फील करूँ नेगेटिव. तो I have actually muted a lot of people on Instagram because मुझे नहीं जानना. आपकी लाइफ है, आप जियो, मेरी लाइफ है, मैं जीऊंगी, because I have experienced that. I have experienced an actor girl coming to my house and then bitching about me only to my other friend.
Wow.
अरे उसके लिए तो इतना आसान है, उसके लिए तो ये है, वो उसका तो घर ऐसा है. अरे भाई आपको मेरी लाइफ पता है कुछ, जो आप मेरे बारे में, और मेरे मुंह पे आके आप इतना स्वीट बन रहे हो मुझसे. सो इतना टॉक्सिक हो जाता है, तो मैं उससे थोड़ा दूरी
Correct.
रहती हूँ कि
If
find your people, stay with them.
Stay with
If they are
them.
genuine, you will get to know.
Correct. हाँ, this is a good way of concluding this segment. कि if you are from business families, क्या आपके खानदानों में भी ये होता है? क्योंकि हमारी इंडस्ट्री में
कौन
तो ये
होता
होता
है,
है.
सबको दूसरों का पैसा चाहिए, कोई खुशी नहीं है दूसरे के लिए. इतना
हाँ.
सैड है कि हम खुश नहीं है अपने दोस्तों के लिए यार.
That I can say with 100% this thing.
This is the reason why I feel कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं यार. बहुत मुश्किल है यार ढूंढना कोई
Someone who genuinely cares.
सच्चा दोस्त.
No, I will say this. Like, for example, my 2 close friends, if we achieve something, or any of us, then we are genuinely like really happy for each other.
बॉलीवुड ने बहुत चीजें बताई है about good friends.
Oh, Mr. Dunbar के बाद आप बॉलीवुड भी ले आए
I
हैं.
thought कि यार डनबार वनबार जो बोले ठीक है.
वाओ, फिर बहन
जो
लोग लेके क्यों आए
नॉलेज
उसे?
हमको मूवीज देती है वो नॉलेज हमें और कोई कहाँ से मिलती है.
Okay, क्या रिसर्च करी मैम
मैं तेरे को
आपने?
बताती हूँ बॉलीवुड ने हमें क्या क्या दोस्ती के बारे में बताया.
Okay, cool.
But
And
you tell me what is your take on it.
take on it. Okay.
Yeah.
Both of us should say what I
Okay,
think.
fine. We
हाँ.
both will tell. It was very funny. तो पहले मुझे बताना ये डायलॉग कहाँ से है.
ओके,
ठीक है. जो दोस्त कमीने नहीं होते वो कमीने दोस्त नहीं होते.
फ्रॉम द फिल्म कमीने.
No,
Oh,
it's
I-
from Heropanti. I don't even
why
know.
the fuck will I watch Heropanti, dude? Why the fuck? Even Tiger Shroff will.
Tiger Shroff.
Even Tiger Shroff doesn't know
Do
he
you
has said
agree
this line.
though? Do you agree though?
जो दोस्त कमीने नहीं
जो
होते,
दोस्त कमीने नहीं होते वो कमीने दोस्त नहीं होते.
ये आप विजय माल्या से पूछो ना वैन जो
तुम्हें
उसके
क्या
साथ
लगता है?
कि कमीने जो
जो
दोस्त
दोस्त कमीने नहीं
मेरे
होते.
दोस्त कमीने नहीं है तो क्या वो मेरे दोस्त नहीं है क्या? डम एस फक. तुम हीरो
मैं
पर
बिलीव करती हूँ.
तुम्हारे दोस्त कमीने.
हाँ, मैं भी कमीनी हूँ क्योंकि वो मुझे एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, मैं उन्हें एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ. हम सब में एक डार्क साइड है और अगर वो बंदा और बंदी मेरे को अपना डार्क साइड नहीं दिखा सकते मतलब वो फुली देमसेल्व्स नहीं है. नहीं विपुल, तू कमीना है.
Wow. What is going on? What the fuck is going on? Look, let us not take philosophical advice from Tiger Shroff is all I will say.
चल आगे का
Please.
बता.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट बताती हूँ.
हाँ.
ठीक है. सिगरेट और दोस्त दोनों फिल्टर्ड होने चाहिए.
This is an actual dialogue. First of all, I'm a non-smoker, you know.
Even I don't know.
So why the fuck did you put this in your research?
It's from this movie called एक 40 की लास्ट लोकल.
आज की डेट में oh wait I have a theory on this. आज के दिन नहीं sorry आजकल की दुनिया में जहां दोस्तियां सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे नहाई also with the influencers. Anyway, this is my new word. Listen.
Influencers?
I really want to popularize this word that the influencers
कहाँ मिला तुझे ये word?
who only get likes because they show their Gant should be called Gantfluencers. Anyway, I'm digressing.
He's jealous of all the influencers, by the way.
If I could make that kind of money showing my Gant, I would do it tomorrow.
Who's stopping you?
Let's go to Dermat after this. Anyway, point is,
Would you?
bro,
Start
if I
showing
get
your
that,
Gant.
if I get a smooth ass butt,
So
why
that
not?
means you don't have a problem with
I don't have a
influencers.
problem.
Yesterday you were saying I have a problem with them making so much money.
No, I don't have a problem. I said people have a problem with them making so much money because people on Reddit just go, oh my god, मैंने MBBS कर ली पर ये गांड दिखा के 40 लाख कैसे हो रहे हैं महीने के. वो मैं
Like
बोल रहा
that.
हूँ. हाँ.
But I have to
no
say
problem.
it takes effort, yaar.
Yeah,
And also confidence to show your ass like that.
correct. So just to bring it to what I was saying,
I have 2-3 very nice
Gants?
no. 2-3 nice Gants?
Gantfluencer friends,
No,
Then?
I follow 2-3 of these.
Gantfluencers?
Yeah.
guys, don't. You know what people are going to do? They're fucking going to go to your
No,
Instagram.
from my Finsta.
Oh, from your Finsta.
I have a
fair take.
Finsta. Do you have a
Okay.
Finsta?
No, I don't have a
You
Finsta.
don't have a Finsta?
एक इंस्टा चल नहीं रहा है. इंस्टा लगाऊंगा मैं बैठ के. यार पागल है तू. एक इंस्टाग्राम पर अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है. My point is not that. My point is कि आजकल के जमाने में जहाँ दोस्तियां सिर्फ असली
गांड दिखा के बन रही है.
अबे कंप्लीट करने दे. आजकल के जमाने में जहां दोस्तियां एक मिनट फक माय हिंदी. आजकल के जमाने में जहां दोस्ती दुनिया की बजाय सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे निभाई जा रही हैं वहां पे दोस्तियां पहले ही फिल्टर्ड हैं. वाह, आई शुड गेट डायलॉग राइटिंग क्रेडिट इन हीरोपंती. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई सेड?
कुछ
आई मेंट इंस्टाग्राम फिल्टर.
हाँ समझ गई मैं यार. इंस्टाग्राम फिल्टर समझ गई. बट तुझे लगता है इंस्टाग्राम फ्रेंडशिप्स आर फेक?
I have Instagram friends who I just send memes to, and
नहीं,
that's
but
all.
जो लोग हम इतना जो my bestie forever.
Yeah, that's bullshit. The more I see someone do that on Instagram, I feel like वही Finsta से hate comment डालते हैं. The moment I see somebody go, oh my god, my bestie, I'm like, this is not a real friendship. Real friendship is what you are not posting on Instagram. That is my true belief.
दोस्ती का कोई मजहब नहीं होता. दोस्त और मौके बार बार नहीं आते.
This is reminding me of मौत और टट्टी कभी भी आ सकती है. Like ये क्या dialogues है यार?
It's from Shootout at Wadala. That's a movie.
That's a movie I've seen this.
But ये सही है ना, ये पॉलिटिक्स आपकी इसमें आ जाती है.
हाँ,
सही ना,
that is.
बॉलीवुड ने क्या क्या अच्छी चीजें बताई है.
हाँ.
दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो दुख होता है, लेकिन अगर दोस्त फर्स्ट आ जाए तो ज्यादा दुख होता है. Of course, ये मैंने
Really?
अभी मैंने ये स्टोरी बताई अपनी फ्रेंड की, वो कितनी जेलस थी.
तुम्हारे
अभी
हाँ.
हमने बात करी
Yes,
कंपटीशन
you
इन
are right.
पॉलिटिक्स.
You are right. You are right.
आमिर खान, आप हर बारी सही बात करते हो,
Yes, उसने नहीं लिखा है.
पर उसने
वो उसने बस एक्टिंग करी है. राइटिंग क्रेडिट रेखा बहन तो तुम भी ना दो राइटर्स को क्रेडिट. साले एक्टर्स का यही तो है, सारा क्रेडिट खुद ले जाओ. हम गांड मार के डायलॉग लिखे यहाँ बैठ
पर वो
के.
स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ता तो है ना.
अबे चल, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. हाँ, फिर कुछ और है.
हाँ, बहुत है, बहुत
है.
हाँ.
Yeah,
दोस्ती का एक असूल है, नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू.
ये तो मैंने सुना हुआ है.
ऑफ कोर्स सबने सुना है. ये वो टाइम है जब ये एक्टर एकदम क्यूटी
साले
पाया
हम
था.
सारे एक दूसरे को सॉरी और थैंक यू बोलते रहते
मैंने
हैं. तू और
प्यार
मैं
किया. सलमान खान वाज सो क्यूट.
सलमान खान ने बोला था ये? नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू. सॉरी तो नहीं बोला सलमान खान. थैंक यू शायद बोल दिया.
प्यार का पहला कदम दोस्ती है और आखिरी भी.
Do you feel that about us? Like, share, subscribe, follow for more. एक तो दे दे टेक. Like, share, subscribe. See you next week. जाओ जाओ.